So not sure why it's such a huge infestation of gnats in this area. We have not figured out, you know, we're biblical people, so sometimes we wonder if maybe it's some sort of like a pestilence kind of thing that was put on this land. Not just our land, but the land where the gnat line is. Bainbridge, Cairo, Pelham, Camilla, Albany, certain other smaller cities around those areas. But for some reason, like if you go into Thomasville, they're not that bad. If you go into Valdosta, now they said that they have some gnats over that way too, but I still don't think that they're as bad as they are here. So I don't know, it's just a really weird thing. And when, like I said, when you've lived in an area where you haven't had to deal with bugs like this is something that's just not something I think I can handle for the rest of my life. They say that you get used to them, but I don't know if I ever want to get used to gnats flying in my mouth or around my eyes or in my ears. And you know, I like to farm, I like to be outside with my animals, and I want to have a garden, and I feel like I have to have a greenhouse. And even in a greenhouse, I don't think you can fully get away from it. So yeah, I don't know, we'll see what happens. Still, again, we've only been here for about six and a half months now, so it hasn't even been a full year. And right now I see the gnats, but they're not bothering me, so I'm not like, yeah, they're not like swarming around me like they do in the summer. So we'll just take it month by month and see how things go, and see when they actually return, you know, full force, and go from there. I'm hoping we don't have to move again. I really don't want to move again. But spring and summer is when you do all of your major gardening. There's fall gardening too, which I feel like that's what we're going to be doing more of around here, is the fall garden. But my family doesn't like squash. Pumpkins, yes. Squash, no. So we'll see. We'll see, and I'll keep you guys updated on that. But for right now, we're pretty much done. We got this off the truck. We'll have to do some stuff. We have to extend the concrete pad right here. We are not going to be putting a slab or anything like that, but we do have some, I don't know if you see, we have all of those, the concrete blocks. They're very thick, they're good and sturdy. So I think what we're going to do is we're going to chisel this part out, clean it up a little bit, and then extend it out however far we need to extend it. We're going to get this out of here, and when we get our guy Adam out here, the two of them can work on getting it in place and where it needs to go. Adam will charge it for us and do all the stuff that needs to be done to it, installing it. We have some other things that came with, well, it didn't come with it, I had to buy it separate, but it came with some stuff that has to be attached to it, so it'll have all brand new components to it as well. And here it is. It's not sitting on that slab perfectly straight, but you know what? That stinker is heavy. Heavy, heavy. But we still got to clean up some of the debris around here or whatever. But it's in. It's installed. We have heat. And the air works just great on it. And it pushes really, really good. So, very pleased with this. The babies. Be nice. So that's it. Thank you guys for hanging out with us. I hope that you've enjoyed this. And that's going to wrap things up for today. Until next time, you guys be blessed. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.